Hello everyone, this is just a quick unboxing video and kind of a first look at the new Jimmy Flintstone Studios MEGGAA HAULER. It's a kind of a delivery truck, semi-truck kind of model that just came out. Saw it on, he posted on Facebook that it just came out, so I had to order one. Got it maybe about a week and a half later. So here's just, I'm not a big time car modeler, I'm just a average guy. Loves anything that looks cool. So here's my take on this. First up, there's a card that he gives you with all his products, showing information, you know, the how to work with resin, all that kind of stuff. So good that he puts this with it. Looking at the model, it is about 11 inches total length, 2 pieces, front cab. Kind of giving you a little detail of the back here, just solid plate. You know, real nicely cast. A little area for the grill, a couple little pinholes on the turn signal lights, no big deal. I'm not sure if this was a hobby shop only thing that he had started or not, but it's really nice. Kind of I told a friend of mine it's almost like a cross between like the mid-90s movie Space Truckers and the I think it was late 90s when the movie came out called Mystery Men, that kind of that armored fighting vehicle that they had. This is just the model as it came out of the box. You know, really nice detail scribing. I haven't unflashed anything from this. I don't know if you can see it. And then that's the bottom of it here is notched, so it goes around the frame, forward part where the frame sits. I don't know if you can see it, a couple little pinholes, nothing a little filler wouldn't take care of. Turn signal detail. So there's the cab. Here's the bed, or the body, or the box, whatever you want to call it. Trim here is notched out, so when you put the cab up against it, it fits right in here. Nice detail. Then again, I'm just an average guy that just builds things at whatever looks cool. Little notches here for the bumper, where the bumper fits on. A few little pinholes, no big deal. Pretty hefty piece of resin here, so that's good. Here's the frame plate. Unflashed. It's got the channels for front and rear for the axles where you glue them in. I don't know how well this stuff's going to come through, but you know, frame plate with the frame structure molded onto it, like a big Dana 60 looking axle. Details for the end cap. So there's that. Next, we've got the, sorry about that, the cockpit, or the cabin. Real nicely molded. I'm kind of a 90s, I don't know if you can see it, but the dash, kind of a 90s flair to when everything was all high-tech. You know, the kind of the Boyd Coddington era of hot rods and stuff like that. So, real nice. Nicely molded. Good quality. Here's the seat. bench seat, like something from the car guys would probably could probably explain it more, but the more of the kind of a 60s or a 70s, maybe even late 50s style of seat with the upholstery. And then, oops, wrong way. Give me a break. It's early. So it fits in like that. You have storage area back here where you can put gear, luggage. I even thought about putting in some speakers maybe. I don't know. Bumper. They only give you one bumper for the rear. No big deal. How well this stuff is coming out. See if I can. Now it's unflashed still, but little tabs fit in here. Here's the grill. Oops. So here's the grill piece. Nicely molded. Come out nice with some Alclad or the Molto or whatever it's called. I found some chrome aluminum spray paint from Ace Hardware that comes out really nice. So I might paint that and maybe even do the little trim stuff here on the side and that same thing. I don't know yet. So there's the grill. A little tab where it fits in up there. It still has to be cleaned up. And then 3 pieces of clear plastic, acetate, whatever you want to call it, for the windows. So all this stuff, and I believe it was right around 50 bucks for this whole thing. So looks like a good product, good casting, just what I expect from Jimmy Flintstone. Good guy, had more than a few dealings with him. Everything has been good. I know a lot of people say, oh well, it needs this or that. It's just, well, it is what it is, and where else are you going to find something like this? So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please ask, and if you would like another video of detail of something or else, just say so. Thanks for watching.